Cryptocurrency mining. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency mining, a dynamic digital realm that is revolutionizing how we conceptualize currency. The possibilities are endless, and today we're going to demystify this concept and show you how it works. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of validating blockchain transactions. It's a decentralized activity that uses a system of computers or specialized hardware to solve complex mathematical problems. These problems are essentially cryptographic puzzles that miners solve in order to add transaction blocks to the blockchain. This ensures that transactions are legitimate and prevents double spending, a key challenge in digital currency systems. When a miner solves the puzzle, they add the block of transactions to the blockchain. This process is crucial to the security and integrity of the digital currency network. The added bonus is that miners are rewarded for their efforts with cryptocurrency. But how does one become a miner? Well, it all starts with having the right hardware. In the early days of Bitcoin, for example, mining could be done on a standard home computer. Today, however, specialized hardware known as ASICs are required to compete. Software is the next requirement. Miners need a program that will connect them to the blockchain, provide them with an interface to interact with, and carry out the actual mining. There are many software options available, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. Cryptocurrency mining isn't just about having the right tools, though. It's also about strategy. Miners need to consider factors like electricity costs, hardware efficiency, and the current difficulty of mining. These will all affect the profitability of their mining operation. One of the most fascinating aspects of cryptocurrency mining is its impact on the world economy. By providing a decentralized means of validating transactions, mining reduces the need for traditional financial intermediaries such as banks. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Cryptocurrency mining uses a lot of energy and can contribute to environmental degradation. Furthermore, the decentralized nature of mining means it can be used for illicit activities, though efforts are being made to prevent this. In conclusion, cryptocurrency mining is a complex but fascinating process that is reshaping the global financial system. As the world becomes increasingly digitized, the role of miners will only become more important. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, an investor, or just a curious onlooker, there's no better time to dive into the world of cryptocurrency mining. Remember, as with any investment, there are risks involved. So always do your research and invest wisely. The world of cryptocurrency mining is a thrilling one, filled with potential, but also with pitfalls. Navigate it carefully, and you might just strike digital gold.